In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the FreshBooks app, focusing only on the main points you actually care about before choosing it. FreshBooks is built mainly for freelancers and small business owners who want simple accounting without complicated setup. The biggest strength of the app is how easy it is to use. You can set up your business, add clients, and send your first professional invoice very quickly, even if you have no accounting background. The design is clean and not overwhelming, which makes it less stressful than traditional accounting software. Invoicing is where FreshBooks really stands out. You can create branded invoices, set payment terms, add taxes, and send them directly from your phone. If you charge hourly, you can track time inside the app and turn those hours into an invoice in just a few taps. It also sends automatic reminders to clients for late payments, which helps you get paid without awkward follow-ups. Expense tracking is another key feature. You can take photos of receipts, categorize expenses, and keep everything organized in one place. This is useful during tax time because you're not searching through emails or paper receipts. The mobile app makes this easy to do on the go, which is great if you travel or meet clients outside the office. FreshBooks also includes estimates, basic financial reports, and simple project tracking. You can see how much you're earning, what clients owe you, and where your money is going. For many freelancers, this level of insight is more than enough to stay in control of their finances. However, FreshBooks is not made for complex accounting. It doesn't handle advanced inventory, large team payroll, or deep financial customization. If your business grows into something bigger with complex accounting needs, you might outgrow it. Pricing can also increase as you move to higher plans for more features. Overall, FreshBooks is best if you want easy invoicing, simple expense tracking, and mobile access without needing to understand complicated accounting systems. It's designed to save time and reduce stress, especially for solo professionals. Let me know in the comments if you've tried FreshBooks or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.